right, y'all. Today we're diving into a 48-hour ribeye steak marinade that's very flavorful, but not sweet like teriyaki sauce. We've got a lot to do, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab up all of these ingredients. Again, the ingredient list is right here. So go ahead and take a screenshot. We're going to mix up our marinade. Let your steak marinate for 48 hours or for 12 hours, but ideally we want 48 hours. After all, this video does say 48 hours. All right, so after 24 hours, we're gonna go ahead and flip our ribeye steak. We do to one side, we do to the other. We want that flavor to soak in all the way throughout the steak. While that ribeye is soaking up all that soy ginger goodness, let's multitask. I'm starting a quick prep for a side dish everyone will love. A classic southern macaroni salad with a tangy zip of Miracle Whip. Y'all remember that commercial? I'm telling my age. Don't worry, I'll show you how to pull the pasta dish together in the next video. As for right now, we're just boiling and draining these noodles so we can focus on the main event, and that's the ribeye. Now it's time to go outside and pull out our Weber. We're about to do some damage, y'all. The method we're going to be using to cook our ribeye beef is this. So as you can see, I'm aligning my coals on one side of the grill because I'm going to cook my ribeye over direct heat for about 4 minutes on each side, 5 minutes, it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to switch it over to indirect heat and let my ribeye come up to temperature. And again, that chart is right here. So if you like rare steak, you want your internal temperature to be this. If you like medium steak or well done steak, you want that internal temperature to be this. All right. All right, so while our Weber grill is coming up to temperature, we're gonna go back inside and check on that macaroni. We don't wanna overcook our macaroni. We're gonna pour our macaroni into a colander, and then we're gonna cool it off with some cold water. All right, so we're gonna get our steps in today, y'all. We're gonna go right on back outside and slap the ribeye steak over direct heat. So I just want to explain something really fast. We're going to do 4 minutes, and then we're going to rotate our steak and cook it for another 4 minutes because we want to give our steak a nice crust. And then of course you're going to flip the steak over and do the same thing on the other side. After you're done cooking your steak, you want to make sure you check the internal temperature. That way you don't overcook your steak. Child, we're about to go viral. You see that? I almost had to call Fire Marshal Bill. Let me show you something. Oh my gosh. Y'all stay tuned. As this ribeye sizzles over those flames, let me tell you why this marinade is worth a 40-hour wait. Soy sauce breaks down the fibers for that melt-in-your-mouth tenderness, while the ginger and lemon bring this fresh, tangy zing that pairs perfectly with the grill's smoky flavor. Be careful now. These flames kiss the steak to give it the perfect crust. But if you're not careful, fire can also kiss and singe your arm hairs. Ain't nobody got time for that. Remember, we're doing 4 minutes. Don't touch your steak. And then you're going to rotate your steak about 90 degrees to another 4 minutes. And then we're going to flip our steak over. All right. So we're going to check the temperature of the steak and pull it right on off the heat. Since I like my steak raw, that must have been a Freudian slip, y'all. Since I like my steak rare, I'm going to pull it off right now. If you want yours more well done, of course, you'd leave your steak on the grill until the temperature comes up. Let's cut into this bad boy and see what we have. And there you have it. So stay tuned for my macaroni salad. That's a Southern comfort classic, and it pairs perfectly with this ribeye steak. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Naj, and I'm hungry, so I'm about to tear into this steak. I'm not waiting for you. Grab your plate too. And I'll see you over there in the other video. Bye-bye.